So these are the recently viewed videos by me on YouTube. Before I tell you how you can access these videos on your mobile, let me explain that how you can delete a specific video from your watch history. For example, I want to delete this third video from my watch history. I would just click these three vertical dots and click remove from watch history. And if you want to clear all the history, you have to click these vertical dots which are there on the top menu bar, and from here you go to history control. You can click the watch history by clicking this button, and search history by clicking this button, and then clicking this clear search history. Whereas if you want to pause the watch and search history, you can just switch these toggle switches to on position, and then for that period of time your watch and search history will not be recorded. And after that, if you want to record it again, you can just bring them back to off position. Now the last thing, that how you can access your watch history. You can access the YouTube watch history by opening your app and then clicking this library button towards the bottom right, and from here you would see the recent videos on the top. And for the detailed view, you can click the history, and then you can see all the videos which you have seen in the past. And if you want to watch these videos again, or if you want to delete a specific video, you can do that as I have already explained. If there is any query regarding the YouTube watch history or recently viewed videos, you can ask me in the comment section below. In any case, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.